Hello students. Student once again I am with you and today we are going to discuss with you your first chapter of politics. The name of your lesson is the Indian Constitution and first point on which we are going to discuss students, that is the why does a country need a constitution? Why and what is importance of constitution to any country? Actually students, about constitution we should know that constitution is the such as books, such as the system, such as the facility which give the support, which give the all ideas to control of our country. So student, this is the important, this is the, we can say, as a good importance of our constitution to any country. If any country have no constitution, then they cannot understand to running rule, on which work they will have to do, what is the system of and what is the work of to any other person, and what is the liability and responsibility of any other person. So our constitution told you what is the system of democracy, what is the system of appointment to any placeholder, what is the system of appointment to our PM, CM, President. So these are everything your constitution told you students. This is the importance of constitution. So we can say constitution is the important to any country. Without constitution we cannot understand what is the fundamental right, what is the adult franchise right to adult vote, how we will decide to our representative, what is the right of district magistrate, that everything we will understand by the constitution, by the rule of law. Our constitution giving the different types of work to our persons which is important to develop any country. So students, these things, these facts are important for any country as a constitution. So students, now we will try to understand some important feature, some important key feature of our constitution. What is the importance features of our constitution? That first is the students, federalism. Our federalist system is the very best and good system for developing of our country. The federalism system, that means students, in our country has been layer of governments. For example, you can say central government, state governments, and you can say municipal corporation as a district government also you can say. This is called our federalism system. And a specific power has been given to our states, and main power has been given to our country, and some other power also has been given as a districts government, you can say, as a municipal and such as like other also students. This is called federalism of federal government system students. Other feature of our constitution, that is a parliamentary form of government. In our government system, parliamentary system has been present. Parliamentary, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, legislature system, that means any law, any system, any rule or regulation should be passed by the parliament. Parliament is the place where your decided representative are making the law. You has decide, you has by the vote has decided a representative, and they are make the law in the parliament. Different type of law which has been important to develop up any community, develop up any country, develop up education, so and so students. So this is the also a best system of our constitution. And other important factor, that is a separation of power. Separation of power is the also very important factor of our constitution, important key feature of our constitution. So students, in our constitution actually power separation system has been present. That means any one person cannot do everything in our constitution. In a democratic system, that is which has been given as a separation of power, that means legislature, executive and judiciary. It is the as a best separation of power system, students. So students, it is the horizontal and vertical separation of power system. Also already we have discussed that it is a central, state as a and municipal party. So students, in our country all power has been divided in the legislature and executive and judiciary also. In one system, one organ, one person cannot take decision to make any type of law. So student, it is the very important fact of our constitution. So other important key feature is our constitution is the fundamental right. Fundamental right has been given to all persons. It is the very best and important right which we have already many times discussed with the students. This is the best, important and right which has been given to our Indian citizens, students. So these was the factor of our constitution. This was the key feature of our constitution, students. So we will discuss next day on other topic, students. So students, thank you very much to all of you. Thanks again to